Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download Diablo Immortal on your mobile device whether you are using Android or iOS. I'm currently using iOS, but this process will guide you through on your Android device as well, so make sure to follow along. First of all, if you're using Android, open up your Google Play Store. If you're using iOS, open up your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search bar at the top and type in Diablo Immortal. Look for this application from Blizzard Entertainment Inc. and tap on Get or the Install button. On your iOS, you may need to authenticate your access by scanning your Face ID, Touch ID, or entering your Apple ID password. Soon after you do that, the download process will begin. Diablo Immortal continues to captivate gamers worldwide with its immersive storyline and dynamic gameplay. Also make sure that you have a stable internet connection so that you can download the application super fast. The application download process may take a while depending upon your internet speed, and once it does, you can easily tap on Open and start playing the game by joining in the adventure. Once the application is installed, it will appear in your app list, and that's it. By following these steps, you can easily download and enjoy Diablo Immortal on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.